When embarking on a journey to improve yourself physically, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the multitude of steps involved. However, the Reset Glow Up routine offers a simplified step-by-step approach that focuses on the core aspects of glowing up, providing a solid foundation for your transformation. Firstly, setting a duration for your glow-up journey, ideally between 1 to 3 months, allows you to mark clear start and end dates. During this period, refrain from cutting your hair and beard. This allows your hair to grow and heal, setting the stage for a fresh start. Once the duration is over, you can style your hair in a completely new way, signaling a physical transformation. Next, decluttering your space is essential. A clean and organized environment reflects internal changes. Start by cleaning your room and workspace, setting a tone of clarity and organization for the rest of your journey. To enhance your physical well-being, amp up your fitness routine. Incorporate more cardio to improve circulation and strength training to tone muscles. Additionally, focus on flexibility routines and mobility work to address muscle imbalances and stiffness. Revamp your nutrition by incorporating more fruits, veggies, and lean proteins while reducing processed foods and sugars. Hydration is key, so aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. For hair and skincare, utilize this time to deep condition and nurture your hair. Adopt a simple skincare routine involving cleansing, moisturizing, and sunscreen application. Grooming is crucial, so maintain good hygiene habits like brushing and flossing, showering, and applying deodorant. Prioritize sleep by ensuring you get 7 to 9 hours of quality rest each night. Create a comfortable sleeping environment with blackout curtains and quality bedding. Reset your wardrobe by eliminating items that no longer resonate with you and gradually introducing pieces that elevate your look. Focus on quality over quantity and create a style board to guide your purchases. At the end of the reset, you'll emerge with improved physical fitness, healthy skin and hair, and a revamped wardrobe. By following this routine, you'll undergo a transformative journey, culminating in a refreshed and confident version of yourself. Remember, the key to success lies in consistency and dedication. Embrace the process and enjoy the journey towards becoming the best version of yourself.